Good morning. In this class, we have to study about redox reaction, which is one of the important chapter of class 11th chemistry, which belong to 8th unit. So, we have to study about what redox reactions are and what are different types of topics involved in this unit. First, we have to study the meaning of the word redox. The word redox stands for two words, that is reduction and oxidation. So, we can say that the chemical reaction in which both the oxidation and reduction occurs, that is known as redox reaction. So, we have to write the meaning of the word redox in this way. Redox stands for two words, that is reduction, and OX means oxidation. So we can say that the chemical reaction in which both the oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously, such reactions are called redox reactions. So you can write the definition of redox reaction in this way. Redox reaction, which tells us the chemical reaction in which both the oxidation and reduction occurs simultaneously. This is called redox reaction. This is the definition of redox reaction, which tells us the chemical reaction in which both the oxidation and reduction occurs simultaneously. Such type of reaction will be considered as redox reaction. Because the word redox stands for two words, one of the word is oxidation and another word is reduction. In case of redox reaction, we have to study a large number of theories, that is classical concept of oxidation and reduction, and again modern concept of oxidation and reduction. Among modern concept of oxidation and reduction, one of the part is electron loss and gain theory of oxidation and reduction, and another part is oxidation number theory of oxidation and reduction. Before reaching there, we have to study about the classical concept of oxidation and reduction, which tells us oxidation is such a type of chemical reaction in which oxygen is added and hydrogen is eliminated. We can say that the combination of oxygen and elimination of hydrogen is known as oxidation reaction. Similarly, just oppositely, we can say that the combination of hydrogen and elimination of oxygen is called reduction reaction. And the oxidizing agent and reducing agent are the chemical substances. We can again say about only the oxidizing agent or oxidant in this way, that the chemical substance or any chemical species which oxidizes other substance and itself reduce, that is called oxidizing agent or oxidant. The main example of oxidizing agent or oxidant are potassium permanganate and potassium dichromate. These two chemical species are generally considered as oxidizing agent. Similarly, we can define the term reducing agent or reductant in this way: the chemical substance or any chemical species that reduces other substance and itself oxidized, like ferrous sulfate, oxalic acid. These are the main reducing agent or reductant. the definition of reducing agent, oxidizing agent, oxidation, reduction in case of combination and elimination of hydrogen. This is considered as the classical concept regarding oxidation and reduction. So, we can define the classical concept of oxidation and reduction in this way: the chemical reaction in which oxygen is added and hydrogen is eliminated. We can say in another word that the combination of oxygen and elimination of hydrogen is called oxidation reaction, and just opposite to it, we can again say that the chemical reaction in which hydrogen is added and oxygen is eliminated, that is called reduction reaction. An oxidizing agent or oxidant is a chemical substance which oxidizes other substance and itself reduced. Such chemical substance or such chemical species are generally known as oxidizing agent or oxidant. Similarly, we can say that reducing agents are such chemical substance which reduces other substance and itself oxidize. Such chemical species are generally known as reducing agent or reductant. So, these are the definition of oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent and reducing agent of classical concept of oxidation and reduction. After knowing the classical concept, we have to study about modern concept of oxidation and reduction. Among modern concept of oxidation and reduction, we have electron loss and gain theory of oxidation and reduction, and oxidation number theory of oxidation and reduction. So, first we have to know what classical concept is and what is the definition of oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent, reducing agent according to classical concept. Oxidation. The combination of oxygen and elimination of hydrogen is called oxidation. Carbon reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. In this reaction, oxygen is added. So, the combination of oxygen is known as oxidation. This is oxidation reaction. Similarly, elimination of hydrogen is also known as oxidation reaction. This is also oxidation. It means combination of oxygen and elimination of hydrogen is called oxidation reaction. In both reaction will be oxidation reaction because carbon reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. In this reaction, oxygen is added. That is called oxidation reaction. In this reaction, oxygen is combined. Similarly, in this reaction, calcium hydride decomposes to form calcium and hydrogen. This is the elimination of hydrogen. So, the combination of oxygen as well as elimination of hydrogen both are oxidation reactions. In case of reduction, we can say that combination of hydrogen and elimination of oxygen is called reduction. So, we can write here in this way: the combination of hydrogen and elimination of oxygen is called reduction. This reaction is considered as reduction reaction. This is also reduction. These definitions are opposite to each other. In case of oxidation, we can say that the combination of oxygen and elimination of hydrogen both are oxidation reaction. In case of reduction, the combination of hydrogen and elimination of oxygen is called reduction. These are reduction reaction, and we can also write the definition of oxidizing agent and reducing agent according to classical concept of oxidation and reduction. These are the definitions of both the oxidation and reduction. Another term is oxidizing agent or oxidant and reducing agent or reductant. Oxidizing agent or oxidant. The definition of oxidizing agent or oxidant can be given in this way: the chemical substance or any chemical species that oxidizes other substance and itself reduced is called oxidizing agent or oxidant. The chemical substance which oxidizes other substance and itself reduced that is called an oxidizing agent. This is the definition of the term oxidizing agent or oxidant. The chemical substance which oxidizes other substance and itself reduced that is called an oxidizing agent. The main function of oxidizing agent is to oxidize other substance and itself reduced. As for example, potassium dichromate and potassium permanganate are the main oxidizing agent. This is KMnO4, potassium permanganate, and this is K2Cr2O7. This is potassium dichromate. This is potassium permanganate and this compound will be potassium dichromate. Potassium dichromate. These two compounds will play an important role in the field of chemistry, especially in the field of inorganic chemistry. These are the main oxidizing agent, or it is also known as oxidant. The definition of oxidizing agent or oxidant will be the chemical substance which oxidizes other substance and itself reduced. So we can again say that the main function of such compounds are to oxidize other substance and itself reduced. Example will be potassium permanganate and potassium dichromate. Similarly, we can write the definition of reducing agent or reductant in this way, just opposite to each other. Reducing agent or reductant. Reducing agent or reductant. The another name of reducing agent is reductant. We can say that the chemical species or any chemical substance that reduces other substance and itself oxidized. The name of such chemical substance is reducing agent or reductant. Ferrous sulfate, oxalic acid, and there are so many types of compounds which act like that. Such type of chemical species are generally known as reducing agents or reductants. So we can write the definition of the term in this way. The chemical substance which reduces other substance and itself oxidized, that is called a reducing agent or reductant. This is the definition of a reducing agent or reductant. The chemical substance which reduces other substance and itself oxidize, that is called a reducing agent or reductant. As for example, ferrous sulfate and oxalic acid H2C2O4. The name of such compound is oxalic acid. The name of such compound is ferrous sulfate. This is the example of reducing agent or reductant, and the definition will be the chemical substance which reduces other substance and itself oxidize, that is called a reducing agent or reductant. So in this class we have known that the classical concept of oxidation and reduction as well as redox reaction. We can again repeat such type of terms like oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent and reducing agent in this way. Redox reactions are such reactions in which both the oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. Such reactions are generally known as redox reaction, because the word redox stands for both the word reduction and oxidation. The definition of oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent and reducing agent can be given in this way. Combination of oxygen and elimination of hydrogen is known as oxidation. Similarly, just opposite to it, we can say that the combination of hydrogen and elimination of oxygen is known as reduction, and the oxidizing agent is such a type of chemical substance or chemical species that oxidizes other substance and itself reduced. The example will be potassium permanganate and potassium dichromate. These are the main oxidizing agent or oxidant. Similarly, we can say that the chemical substance or any chemical species that reduces other substance and itself oxidize, such substances are known as reducing agents or reductants like ferrous sulfate and oxalic acid. In the next class, we can study about the modern concept of oxidation and reduction like electron loss and gain theory of oxidation and reduction and oxidation number theory of oxidation and reduction. Thanks.